We've been using this dryer for a while, decades now, and recently we've been getting feedback saying that it doesn't dry as good as it did when it was new. We always clean the lint trap, as you could see here, by just checking in this filter, and yet it's still not drying the clothes in the first cycle. So after clearing the area, so you can have a little bit of room to work, I've pulled the dryer forward and we'll have to unscrew the ring so that we could take out that piece. Now that we're able to access the exhaust pipe, we could check it for clogs or lint. No clog there. So next thing we gotta do is unplug the dryer, and we have to open up the back. There are several bolts you gotta take out all along the perimeter. So I'll do that and I'll show you when it's opened. Now that we have the back panel taken out, this is what it looks like. Now this black piece is where all the filtering is happening for the lint, and there's a few bolts. There's 1, 2, 3. I think there's one on this side too, and also 2 more on the top. So when taking out these 2 bolts, it's good to have that filter in place, so just in case it does fall, it will just be right here. See this? Even though you have the lint catcher, I'll show it to you better. So this is where the lint catcher is that we could take off from the top. All throughout the years and years of use, there's still some lint that does fall here. So ever so often, let's say every 3 or 4 years, we should clean this out. And in our case, we never cleaned it out, and look how much has accumulated here, which is pretty close to the blower, and you need to move all that air in order to dry it more efficiently. I want you to know that when we're gonna clean this all up, you gotta clean here and here, and especially up here. That's where it opens onto the drying area in the drum, and look at all that dirt. So gotta clean those. I'm not gonna bore you with cleaning this up, and I'll show you once it's done. Just take a vacuum and vacuum it all out. So after vacuuming and taking out all the dirt from that section, by where the blowers and the exhaust is, you gotta be careful when you're cleaning this out. the edges on this black piece is very sharp. So be cautious when you move around cleaning all these pieces. Now that we have the back panel put to place and we're just about to push it back. See, that's plugged in. And the pipe, you want to make sure it doesn't get kinked, so using a pole like this to make an S-curve will help. Okay, as you can see, it's pushed back, but it's not fully to the wall. There's a space so that that's not gonna get kinked.